Welcome back, guys. In today's video I am sharing 3 iced turmeric latte recipes. If you're interested in the hot version as well, I have a video on my channel on how to make a hot turmeric latte recipe. And although a hot latte recipe is delicious and fantastic, it is probably hard to drink during warm days, don't you agree? So a nice turmeric latte is probably an easier drink to grab during spring and summer months. Turmeric is a popular spice as it contains medicinal properties and has been used in traditional Chinese medicine and Ayurveda for centuries. Turmeric's compound, curcumin, has strong anti-inflammatory properties and is also beneficial for good brain function, potentially contributing to preventing brain-related diseases such as Alzheimer's. Turmeric has played a significant role in my diet for years now, and on my channel I have shared over time various turmeric-related video topics such as health benefits of turmeric, coconut turmeric latte, turmeric soup, apple cider vinegar, and turmeric drink. And now it's time for our iced turmeric latte. So before we start, you need to know that turmeric's property, curcumin, is poorly absorbed by our body on its own. So we increase its absorption when we add either black pepper to it or some type of fat, as curcumin is fat soluble. So instead of making an iced turmeric latte that is poorly absorbed by our body, we will make iced turmeric lattes that are highly absorbed by our bodies so we can receive all the health benefits that it has to offer. Additionally, in each recipe you can optionally add a bit of protein powder, unflavored or vanilla flavored, for that satiation factor that keeps your blood sugar levels as stable as possible. Our first recipe is an iced coconut turmeric latte. I will be using a small glass where I mix the turmeric ingredients before I transfer them to the main glass. So in this small glass, add half teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1 teaspoon of MCT oil or coconut oil, beneficial for brain health, half vanilla pod or half teaspoon vanilla extract, optionally 1 teaspoon of collagen powder for satiation. I'm using unflavored, but if you're using vanilla collagen powder, you do not need to add vanilla pod or vanilla extract. A bit of cold water, I'm adding 1/4 of the small glass. And using a hand whisk all the ingredients well. Before using it, taste it. If you feel that you need to sweeten it, you can add half teaspoon of honey or maple syrup or agave syrup, whatever you prefer. I will add honey. I have less runny honey in this case, but a runny honey still will do as long as it is high quality. Whisk it again and leave aside. Fill your main glass with ice cubes and up to 3/4 with coconut milk or any plant-based milk of your preference. Then pour the turmeric mix into the glass. Oh my God, how beautiful is this? If you do not have a hand whisk, you can add all the ingredients in a blender and blend all the ingredients at once. Or you can use a shaker. I will show you how to use one in the third recipe. So that's the first recipe. Let's go to the second one. Our second recipe is an iced honey turmeric latte. Again, we will use a small glass to mix all the turmeric latte base ingredients. So add to it half teaspoon of ground turmeric, half teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half scraped vanilla pod or half teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of honey, pinch of black pepper, and a bit of cold water. Whisk all the ingredients very well. Fill your main glass with ice cubes and milk up to 3/4, and then pour over the turmeric mix. Delicious! And our third recipe is an iced coffee turmeric latte. And yes, this will be a bit of a mix of turmeric and coffee. Fantastic. Fill the small glass with 1 shot of espresso. Now transfer the espresso into a shaker with the following ingredients: 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cardamom, pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil or MCT oil, and optionally you can add unflavored collagen powder, or you can use flavored collagen powder, vanilla flavored collagen powder. And then 3 to 4 ice cubes. Shake, shake, shake very, very well. Fill your main glass with ice cubes, pour over the ingredients from the shaker, and top up with milk if you like. It's your choice. If you do not have a hand whisk or a shaker, a blender will do as well, so don't worry about it. These are fantastic, guys! Hope you guys enjoyed these delicious iced turmeric latte recipes. In the description of this video, I have shared the written recipes of these amazing iced turmeric latte drinks. You can also find a link to grab my ebook on how to live happy and healthy lifestyle, as well as a Mediterranean meal plan example that was put together with the help of my dietitian friends, and obviously a link to join my Facebook group. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to be notified when I upload new content. See you in the next episode, guys. This is so good.